गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। मैं आज आप लोगों को कैपेसिटर से रिलेटेड न्यूमेरिकल कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व द न्यूमेरिकल रिलेटेड द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स। तो मैं कुछ पॉइंट को यहाँ पर डिस्कस करता हूँ। सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं कि हमारा सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होता है। व्हाट इज सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन? सपोज दैट इफ वी हैव टू कैपेसिटर like this and connected to a source of potential. Now it is positive and it is negative, and this one is capacitance of first capacitor and this one is the capacitance of second capacitor, and we know that the distance of this capacitor C1 and C2 are different from the source. So no doubt potential difference of this one will be different, V1 and V2. Now the branch of these two capacitor are same, so charge across and this one will be what? Same. Here charge across C1 and C2 are same but potential are different. Then this combination is known as series combination. So here total potential V equal to what will be V1 plus V2, and we have formula for V, Q equal to CV and V equal to what will be Q by C. So now this equation will in turn into Q by C. C will be the effective capacitance of these two capacitors, and this will be Q by C1 plus Q by C2. Now finally we can write here 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. If we want to write the value of C, so first of you take LCM of these two. So this will be C1 C2 and here will be C1 plus C2. Now reverse this. C will be C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Now suppose that if the value of C1 and C2 are same, suppose this will be C0, means these two have identical value, then this equation C will be C0 square by 2 C0. C0 will cancel and here finally we have C0 by 2. So now the value is decreased, means in series combination the value of capacitance will decreases. Now it is the main funda of series combination. Similarly we have a parallel combination. In parallel combination we will see that if we take two capacitor like this, say C1 capacitance, say C2. Now the first plate of these two capacitor are connected to a same potential, say positive potential, higher potential, and the second plates of the two capacitor are connected to a common potential, say negative potential. Now here the distance of C1 and C2 from the source are same. So now here potential of the capacitor will be same, but here charge, suppose that here charge is Q but branches are different, so it will divide into Q1 and Q2. So finally we can write here Q, total charge of the this combination, we can write Q1 plus Q2. Now say it is equation 1, and we have here Q equal to CV. So above equation will in turn Q equal to CV, C1V plus C2V. V are common for these two capacitor. So now C, you can write here effective capacitance of these two capacitor will be C1 plus C2. Suppose that, say here these two have the identical value, C1 equal to C2 equal to C0. Now this equation will turn C equal to 2C naught, means in this condition the capacitance of the combination will increase. So when we need more capacitance, then we will use the parallel combination. When we need less capacitance, then we will use the series combination.